with the objective of overcoming some of the drawbacks associated with traditional soldering materials. One of the most promising aspects of AI in this context is its ability to analyze and optimize for better material properties. AI algorithms can sift through vast amounts of data to identify materials with lower melting points, thereby improving efficiency. They can also predict the performance of new untested materials, enabling us to explore options that were previously unthinkable. In terms of environmental impact, AI ushers in a new era of sustainability. By using machine learning algorithms, we can identify and develop materials that are not only highly efficient, but also environmentally friendly. This could mean the elimination of harmful substances like lead or the creation of materials that are easily recyclable. The potential of AI to revolutionize the soldering industry is truly fascinating. Embracing AI-developed alternatives could lead to a more efficient, cost-effective, and environmentally friendly future. And who wouldn't want to be a part of that? So, what does this all mean for the future of soldering materials? Let's put it all together. Traditional soldering materials, while effective, carry a significant environmental footprint. On the other hand, we've seen how artificial intelligence is capable of creating more sustainable and efficient alternatives. Through the power of AI, we can design materials that not only perform better but also respect our planet. Picture this: a world where soldering materials are tailored to specific applications, reducing waste and enhancing performance. A world where production processes are optimized to minimize energy consumption and emissions. All of this is within our grasp, thanks to AI. But that's not all. The possibilities are endless. As AI continues to evolve, so too will its applications in the field of soldering materials. Who knows what breakthroughs lie just around the corner? The future is not set in stone, but one thing is certain: AI has the potential to fundamentally transform the world of soldering materials.